Hi everyone, this is Keyapp, platform for app analytics and app keywords promotion. Are you ready to dive into some news of App Store optimization? Just watch this video till the end and get which new features make the process of App Store optimization even more efficient. And we believe that it is needed to pay some attention to Google Play, first of all, because recently they have announced quite a lot of updates for app marketers and app developers. And first of all, you may remember that previously last year they announced the possibility to create at least 50 custom store listings, and all these store listings may be shown to different users according to country, for example, or according to some status like pre-registration status. But now they announce a new possibility to create separate custom store listings for inactive users. Just you can imagine that you will be able to create the custom store listing for users who do not use your application or your game anymore, and they will see this listing and it your chance to show them why they should change their mind and just get back to using your application. At the same time, just continuing with some updates about store listing, we found at Android developers blog, Google also tells that they will give the possibility to create separate store listings for the users who are coming from Google Ads app campaign. So you will be able to create the store listings from users who are going from AdMob or YouTube and just show the content which you would like to show them as the particular group of users. And just continuing with store listings, from now we will have the possibility to combine different store listings into different groups. For example, the group for inactive users, the group from the users who come from particular country, etc. And Google pays attention that this will make the work with custom store listings more fast and just more efficient for app developers. And just to some news about translation, remember that localization is extremely important on Google Play, and it is not just the process when you create the blind translation with the help of any tool on the internet. Remember that localization is important, and while we work with different countries, we need to pay attention to some peculiarities of this particular region, and of course to create the keyword cloud separately for each country you work with, because in different regions different search requests are popular. By the way, do not forget that with the help of our platform you can check the keyword popularity and your app rank for the particular search request completely for free. But anyway, remember that Google Play gives the possibility to get the machine translation for your text metadata assets. And they announced that from now they add 10 more languages from Google Translate to Play Console, and this will help you to translate the custom store listings in minutes at no cost. And I suppose that is one of our favorite updates, one of the most important, because we know that at this stage, artificial intelligence is getting more and more popularity, especially after the release of ChatGPT. By the way, just check our previous videos about ChatGPT so to get how to work with App Store optimization using this tool. But anyway, artificial intelligence is used by more and more marketing specialists and app store optimization specialists to optimize the process of their work and just to get some assistance when you create some strategies, you create some text onto, or you just want to analyze some performance of your application. And Google announced that they are going to implement the generative artificial intelligence technology. Actually, this technology is already available in Google Play Developer Console, and it should help you as app developer and app marketer to get starting with work with store listings in English. So this announcement shows us that Google Play actually goes the same way and is going to use artificial intelligence for some processes connected with the app marketing or with the app publishing, releasing even maybe in the future. Just we are waiting, we are following all this news, and maybe some new tools will be implemented. But at this stage, we have the possibility to create the some draft content for our custom store listings directly in Google Play Developer Console already. Let's just have a look how it is shown in Google Play Developer Console. So you can just go to custom store listings. You can let's go. Actually, you can put create a listing, which is the type of it. And here is everything as usually. We just need to create the name. We need to create the target users, choose target users, and here it is. You may see that there is a button called experiment, and Google mentioned that this artificial intelligence will help to draft store listing descriptions. So you may go to learn more or just try now. You may see that here you may just generate a draft content, like you may enter the theme of event, for example, like Halloween. Then you may choose the tone. Remember that when we work with ChatGPT in App Store optimization, we just proceed the same way. We mention all the possible details just to get as precise text or as precise information as possible. So when we create some text for the application, we mention the same, we mention the category, we mention even keywords. So there is no possibility to mention some keywords. We may choose just event, we may choose the tone. You remember that ChatGPT works the same way. Actually, you may just mention the tone. There are four of them. I'm not sure that it may be enough in the future, because working with ChatGPT, we actually can mention everything we want. But anyway, this is experiment by Google, and I suppose they will just develop this tool as much as possible, and we believe that artificial intelligence will become more and more popular on Google Play. We are not sure about App Store because they have different algorithms and they have different processes, but we remember that Google Play is more text oriented, even if we are talking about some optimization processes, about indexation processes. So we know that for Google, it is important to for their algorithm to work with text. So we believe that in the future, the artificial intelligence will play an important role, especially on Google Play. So we may just choose the tone, and then we choose the audience for which we are going to create this custom store listing. And here it is. You may say that the update is here. You may choose inactive users. That's what we were talking about when you show different custom store listings for different types of users, and now you have the possibility to target inactive users and just to make them to go back to your application or to your game. By the way, if you like this particular episode, please leave your likes and comments. We really appreciate this, and this encourages to create even more video content for you. And let's proceed with using of artificial intelligence on Google Play. We found this information on Android developers blog as well, and if to be honest, I we didn't like faced this so often on Google Play yet, but I suppose this will be seen more within the periods of time. So we believe that this will become more and more popular, and this is connected with app reputation. You may remember that in previous videos we discussed how to analyze and how to work with app reputation using ChatGPT, so using artificial intelligence. And we were extremely excited and surprised when we found the information that Google Play is going to make a summary of reviews the application or game has and show this summary to users. And this summary will be created with the help of artificial intelligence technology. So for now, they say that this technology is started to be implemented in English, and they promise to expand this to more languages later, already till the end of the year 2023. So you may see here how it is shown. Like we see the application, we see some screenshots, but before we see the summary of some reviews. We are not sure for now which reviews exactly will be shown, because when we worked with ChatGPT analyzing app reviews, we just used this strategy to show us what are the advantages and disadvantages of the particular application based on the user feedback. But here on the screenshot from Google, we may see that they just show some reviews, and there are some dislikes or likes made by users. Maybe they will show just the particular information. Like if a lot of users write that the game is fun, they will just write fun for all users, and just put the number of reviews where this information is mentioned in this way. Like here, like 99 plus people suppose that it is true. But anyway, just already two news about using artificial intelligence on Google Play. So before ChatGPT became so popular, we supposed that maybe artificial intelligence and Google won't cooperate in any way. Like it will be forbidden to create some text for applications using artificial intelligence, or just to create some titles, subtitles. But now we see the tendency that Google is going to work with artificial intelligence, and they are going to pay a lot of time to such features development. We believe that there will be possibility not only to create the descriptions for store listings, and not only possibility to show the main advantages of the applications based on the reviews, but we believe that maybe in the future there will be even the possibility to create the text assets, maybe to generate some responses to reviews, because of course we can do this now already using ChatGPT or any other text artificial intelligence. But if Google implements this into the Google Play and Google Play Developer Console, we believe this will be extremely exciting and extremely cool, because at this stage Apple announced no such updates of artificial intelligence usage. One more interesting update which we found on Android developers blog is that Google is going to give the possibility to proceed with A/B tests for prices. So you will be able to test different prices and different in-app purchases or subscriptions, and get which price gives the best return on investment and the best results in some users attraction. The price experiments are already available in Google Play Developer Console. So if the application has any in-app products, it is already possible to test which price model works better for the particular in-app product. There are quite a lot of news discussed in this episode, and we already discussed some updates connected with custom store listings on Google Play. But what is more important is that Google is going to work with artificial intelligence. So we're just following and just waiting for the updates when they implement more and more tools to make our App Store optimization process easier, faster, and even more efficient. So app developers and app marketers shouldn't put so many efforts creating different types of text or proceeding with different types of analysis. Anyway, in the next videos, we will discuss even more App Store optimization news. So stay tuned and follow us just to get all the updates. Get top positions in the search with Keyapp.